Hi, how are you? Welcome back. I just wanted to do a quick review today. We are trying out something new that I picked up at Ulta. Today we are looking at Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, there we go. Wait, there we go. So this is a new color that just came out. It's called Parma, and it kind of looks like a terracotta-y, rosy, really nice color. This Stila All Day Liquid Lipstick, it comes in 21 shades. It's a fan fave on Ulta. This is what the Ulta website says. This everyday full coverage lip color provides intense hydration with bold, long-lasting pigment that stays put for up to 12 hours. I usually go for a long wear lipstick. I do like to see though, sometimes with the long wear lipsticks, they can be very drying, they can crack, and then of course they can fade. So I thought that we would just do a quick review today, kind of see how it goes, and I can let you guys know my thoughts and if I think this is something worth picking up. The price on the Ulta website, it retails for $22. So, it is a little bit in the pricier range, but I find with long wear lipsticks, they tend to last me a little bit longer, and I just get a better bang for my buck because they stay put and I'm not constantly reapplying, which is nice. I do like to see if I drink coffee throughout the day, if I'm eating, if it's going to wear off. Now we're all wearing masks, so is it going to rub off on my mask? Is it going to stay put? And also, if it does fade, if it kind of fades evenly and nicely, or if it kind of gets all patchy and weird, because sometimes they do that too. I'm going to do a try on with you guys. We're just doing real simple bare face today. I just really wanted to give this a try. And so let's see how it goes. So we're going to open it together. Not very good at opening these packages. All right, so this is what the tube looks like. The shade does look a little bit lighter in the tube than it does in the on the actual box. I don't know if you guys can really see that on camera, but it's a really pretty shade. It does look like, I don't know, it reminds me of terracotta, like a rich terracotta color. You guys can see that. It's got the doe foot applicator, so, that's nice. Sometimes they come with like a lip glossy type applicator. I definitely prefer these. I think it's easier to put on. So let's put it on and see how it goes. So already I can tell with this applicator, it definitely picks up a lot of product. And so, and it looks actually kind of like more on the brown side on my lips. I don't know if you guys can see that. So sometimes what I like to do when it does pick up a lot of product is I'll actually just go in with my fingers and kind of like blend it out. It looks like I just ate a chocolate bar. You guys see that? I guess it does look similar to on the box. Maybe I'm not really used to wearing shades like this. It's already dry. It's already pretty dry. All right, so I just finished putting it on and it's already dry. It feels pretty dry. So you got to work really fast with it and rub it in, and probably want to prep your lips with a lip balm first. And then this definitely already feels like something that I probably would want to put a lip balm on throughout the day, but we're just going to wear it like this and kind of see how it goes. And then I will check back in with you guys and let you know. It says 12 hours. So, I'm going to wear it for a while. And then when I check back in with you guys, I will let you know how long it's been, and we'll kind of see how it goes from there. So I will see you soon. Hi guys. All right, so it has been about 8 hours since I have tried this, and I will say that This one compared to, I know I did another review on the Revlon longwear, and I have to say for the price, I definitely preferred the Revlon longwear. This one this one does get a little bit drying. You definitely feel it a little more. I would suggest maybe a thin layer, but the problem with that is I know that we really want it to, look even and nice. So I definitely like this one, maybe for a special occasion. I would recommend using a possibly a Shea lip balm or a lip balm that you like to go with this. Just, to use it throughout the day if your lips do get a little bit dry. The pigment, however, does hold up, and it is a very nice saturated color. And I actually ended up really enjoying this color. Again, this is the Parma color from Stila. And at first I wasn't sure, but then I just kind of wore it throughout the day and it really grew on me. It does look pretty dark on camera. It does look a little bit softer in natural light, but it has a nice strong pigment to it. So I really did like that. It does make your lips look a little cracked. Again, I did not use any of my lip balm for this review because I just kind of wanted to see how it was going to wear throughout the day, but I definitely think it would help. I definitely had some separation here, probably from eating and drinking, things like that. But overall, I would say that I do really also like this. I do like Stila, I do like the longwear. I probably would be more inclined to use my Revlon one on a regular day basis just because it was a little more comfortable for me. But I really do enjoy the color range from Stila as well. I think their colors, they have some really beautiful, sophisticated colors that are definitely worth trying. Just make sure to use your lip balm or bring that with you, and you should be good to go. So thank you so much for joining me today. Again, my name is Georgina Castens, Inside the Beauty Library. Please, if you haven't subscribed, I'd love to share more reviews with you and just hang out. We can talk about makeup. Thank you so much, and I will see you again soon.